The McDonnell Douglas FA-18 Hornet is a versatile and highly capable multi-role fighter aircraft, designed to excel in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. This detailed video report will explore the FA-18 Hornet's development, design, production history, and technical specifications, providing a solid foundation for a 6 to 10 minute documentary. Designed and built by McDonnell Douglas. The FA-18 Hornet was designed and built by McDonnell Douglas, a prominent American aerospace manufacturer known for producing advanced military aircraft. The Hornet's development was the result of a collaboration between McDonnell Douglas and Northrop Corporation, with McDonnell Douglas serving as the prime contractor. The aircraft was developed to meet the U.S. Navy's need for a new multi-role fighter capable of replacing the aging F-4 Phantom II and A-7 Corsair II in both air superiority and strike roles. Production history, a long-lasting legacy. The FA-18 Hornet's development began in the 1970s, with the first prototype flying on November 18, 1978. After extensive testing and evaluation, the FA-18 entered full-scale production in 1979. The aircraft was produced in several variants over the years, including the FA-18A, FA-18B, FA-18C, and FA-18D, each featuring incremental improvements in avionics, weapon systems, and overall performance. Production of the FA-18 Hornet continued until 2000, when it was succeeded by the larger and more advanced FA-18E/F Super Hornet. However, the original FA-18 models remain in service with various air forces around the world, demonstrating the enduring legacy of this versatile fighter. First flight, marking a new era in multi-role capability. The first flight of the FA-18 Hornet took place on November 18, 1978. This flight marked the beginning of a new era in multi-role fighter design, as the FA-18 was specifically engineered to perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions with equal proficiency. The aircraft's ability to switch between roles mid-mission made it an invaluable asset to the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. Purpose: multi-role fighter and attack aircraft. The FA-18 Hornet was designed to be a multi-role fighter and attack aircraft, capable of performing a wide range of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, close air support, and reconnaissance. The U.S. Navy and Marine Corps required an aircraft that could operate from aircraft carriers, engage enemy aircraft in dogfights, deliver precision strikes against ground targets, and provide close air support to ground forces. The Hornet's versatility is reflected in its designation, FA, which stands for Fighter/Attack. This dual-role capability allowed the FA-18 to replace multiple aircraft types, reducing logistical complexity and enhancing operational flexibility. Country of origin: an American innovation. The FA-18 Hornet was developed and produced in the United States of America. As a product of McDonnell Douglas and Northrop Corporation, the Hornet was specifically designed to meet the needs of the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. The aircraft's development was heavily influenced by the requirements of carrier-based operations, leading to design features such as folding wings, reinforced landing gear, and a tailhook for arrested landings on aircraft carriers. Production in other countries. While the FA-18 Hornet was primarily produced in the United States, the aircraft was also assembled under license in Australia by the Government Aircraft Factories, GAF, later known as Aerospace Technologies of Australia, ASTA. Australia was the first foreign customer to adopt the FA-18, with the Royal Australian Air Force, RAAF, receiving its first Hornets in the mid-1980s. The RAF's FA-18s were locally assembled and featured minor modifications to suit Australian operational requirements. Additionally, the FA-18 has been exported to several other countries, including Canada, Spain, Switzerland, Finland, and Malaysia, where it serves in various Air Force roles. However, these nations received their aircraft directly from U.S. production lines rather than assembling them locally. Technical specifications: power, speed, and performance. The FA-18 Hornet is powered by two General Electric F404GE402 afterburning turbofan engines, each producing up to 17,700 pounds of thrust with afterburner. These engines provide the Hornet with a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, approximately 1,190 miles per hour or 1,915 kilometers per hour, at high altitude, making it a highly agile and responsive fighter in air-to-air combat. The aircraft has a combat radius of approximately 400 nautical miles, 740 kilometers, when carrying a typical loadout of air-to-ground ordnance, allowing it to conduct deep strike missions against enemy targets. The Hornet's avionics suite includes a multi-mode IN/APG-65 radar, later upgraded to the IN/APG-73, providing advanced targeting and tracking capabilities for both air and ground targets. The FA-18 Hornet is equipped with a wide array of weapons, including AIM-7 Sparrow, AIM-9 Sidewinder, and AIM-120M ROM missiles for air-to-air engagements. For ground attack missions, the aircraft can carry a variety of bombs and missiles, including the AGM-65 Maverick, GBU-12 Paveway-2 laser-guided bombs, and AGM-88 HARM anti-radiation missiles. The Hornet is also armed with a 20mm M61A1 Vulcan cannon for close-range combat. Operational legacy: a proven multi-role fighter. The McDonnell Douglas FA-18 Hornet has served with distinction in numerous conflicts, including the Gulf War, Kosovo, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Its multi-role capabilities, combined with its reliability and ease of maintenance, have made it a favorite among pilots and ground crews alike. The Hornet's ability to operate from aircraft carriers and austere airfields, along with its versatility in both air-to-air and air-to-ground roles, has cemented its place as one of the most successful fighter aircraft of the modern era. As the original FA-18 models begin to retire from U.S. service, the aircraft continues to serve in various air forces around the world, demonstrating the enduring value of this exceptional multi-role fighter. Conclusion: the McDonnell Douglas FA-18 Hornet stands as a testament to the power of innovation in military aviation. Designed to perform a wide range of missions with unparalleled effectiveness, the Hornet has become a symbol of American air power and a cornerstone of naval aviation. Its legacy as a versatile and reliable multi-role fighter will continue to influence the design of future combat aircraft for generations to come.